process after a juvenile is detained is comparable to the adult court process.
An order of detention will be filed with the juvenile court, and a detention hearing will be held within 72 hours from the time detention was authorized by the juvenile officer. A petition will be filed by the juvenile officer's attorney alleging the juvenile's charges and requesting action from the court. Once the juvenile goes to court, a two-part hearing will be held. The adjudication hearing will determine whether the juvenile is adjudicated and under the jurisdiction of the court. If adjudicated, the juvenile will then have a disposition hearing. In some cases, the juvenile court may exhaust all resources that can be provided for a juvenile offender. In those instances, the juvenile court can commit a juvenile to the custody of the Division of Youth Services, or DYS. Juveniles can be committed to DYS until the age of 18. However, in certain circumstances, the committing court may grant a petition by DYS to retain custody of a youth until the age of 21. In 2015, 713 juveniles were committed to DYS, 13% of which were committed for serious felonies. If the juvenile commits any of the following, a hearing will be held to determine whether that juvenile should be transferred to the adult court to allow prosecution under general law. This is referred to as certification. Certification is the last recourse for the juvenile justice system.